Gang, how's it going? Matt, the Health Home Inspector, back at you. We're at a house over in Cedarburg today. I got something that I haven't seen before. I mean, 15 years of doing this, a lot of houses, never seen this before. Yeah, I mean, I don't like it, first of all, but I guess I'm just like, what don't I like? And I don't like a number of things, but I don't know. You got me. What do you guys think? So I'm not a fan of cantilevering out the joists of the floor. They cantilever those out. I mean, that's got to be a good 5 feet up there. Out to next to nothing. The railing up on top is, I mean, I don't know. It's not really attached to the house, other than there's two, like, I don't even know what you call those. They're joists. Beams, maybe? 2 beams? One there, one there. And they're kind of attached to the house, but there's no brackets or anything like that. I mean, you can see there's nothing but a couple of screws. I mean, could there be something behind the siding? Sure. Can't see that. We only see what we can see, right? Yeah. And then these columns that they're using, I mean, they're deteriorated at the bottom. That's the outside part. So that's just like the covering, the decoration. But they're not attached really mechanically. Where these, I don't know, for better lack of a term, we'll call them beams, come out. And these beams go out, and the joists are going in the wrong direction. Like, they're going sideways across here. I mean, the span, these are probably 2x10s. Probably 2x10s up there, maybe 2x12s-ish. But they're large enough to span this distance. So this distance in here, that's fine. And I know that we can cantilever out 2/3 as long as we got, or we can cantilever out 1/3 as long as we got 2/3 back here. But yeah, I don't know. It's just weird. Weird. So let me get back over here and give you guys this is what we're looking at. Yeah, I don't know. If this was approved by a building inspector, I'd be surprised. But in 15 years, never seen a deck done like that. I mean, I'm all about being creative. But we gotta be safe at the same time. I mean, if the wood's rotting out here, probably deteriorated on the inside. These are probably green treated, but who knows? Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. I'd love to hear your comments and see what you think about this guy. I'm gonna flag it as a defect just because I don't think it's safe. And not properly constructed. But let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for tuning in. You guys remember, the Buddy Take Care of House Better's gonna take care of you. See you next time.